The best team in Africa has done it, made sure that Amathambo FC do not win the league. Mamelodi Sundowns, we've done our part. Go on, don't drop any points, go on and win the league. Bafethu, what a beautiful game of football, what a game. Brendan Peterson is the best goalkeeper in the Betway Prem. I do not want to hear anyone compare Brendan Peterson with any of these goalkeepers that are always protected with a good back line. Brendan Peterson, our back line was good, but they are not always good. Brendan Peterson, in each and every game uyashayelwa, abanye abashayelwa. Once bashayelwa, it's a goal. Kanti Brendan Peterson, in each and every game, he has to make beautiful saves, and we are born with it. This is the best goalkeeper we have in the country. Given Simango, what a beautiful performance. I saw that block in the first half and I was like, he's back. And all the headers, the best winner in the box as well, he was very solid today. Wandile Duba with a beautiful assist in that assist, beautiful. Pulemoti with the goal that we needed, beautiful. And a very good performance from Pulemoti. He's showing us what he's one of those players, big game players, I would say. Even though he most of the time does not give us something going forward, but today he played very well. So Undlovu also in the middle of the park, I saw him very aggressive. I think at times I was very scared that he would get booked. Again, he got away with it. I think Abongile Tom was a little bit too kind, because Undlovu at times Ox, my guy. I'm not going to talk about him. He did not have a good performance. He was losing a lot of balls. Good substitution from the coaches. First, abalindanga nokulinda ukuthi kuzekushaya 60 minutes abamkhipha. Good substitution. Umjedangenileyo kungeneba Shabalala kind of changed the game. The Bonnet Pirates, we see Emma was making a lot of tackles on Ushabalala, and also who else I forgot, but Shabalala was putting a lot of pressure on the defense. Orlando Pirates, we played very well today. So Kaizer Chiefs, at this point, I'll take it. See, Africa is confirmed. Amazulu, I don't think they're going to catch up with us. So I prefer to tell Mamelodi Sundowns that Kaizer Chiefs has done its part, and it's time for them to do their part, win their games, don't drop any points, make sure that you win the league, because we cannot have Amathambo FC winning the league. It's Sundowns, Chiefs winning the league. Let's go.